Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kod ogai mar ODM Dr. Oginga odok ne ogirimiti manobede kind mosenindo Raila Odinga ewi chopo kare mise moko 10 motegno mag bero chal mar Kenya kata 10-point agenda. Negilose kanisa ACK bonde kinde limbe mar Ruto Siaya aput mar apudno Agnes kata jakom mar apudno Agnes Zani odosir ne gisegoyo kenge mongirore e chopo kare ripodno mabiro bero dongruok kod chiwo ratiro ne oganda. Walter Nyambaga nigi ler.
E kinde pidho jokristo chiemb chunye kanisa mar ACK bade mabonde kaunti ma Siaya e kinde limbe mar jatend piny William Ruto ka ema jatend piny William Ruto kod ogai mar ODM Dr. Oginga onyere kweth mag ji makoni lipod nadko mar aput marango keto e tim misia par oserumbore lo kendo rem chopo kare higa achiel bang'e.
Name calling and noise makers will not change our country. That we are going to be faithful to our relationship. It is going to be a relationship of equals. It is going to be a relationship with a win-win outcome.
Dr. Oginga koni tarik 7 mar dwe mar adek ne okoyange ni rumo mar sirikand manywanda kata broad-based mane onyuol kowuok e winjruok e kind mosenindo Raila Odinga kod jatend piny William Ruto rumo. To en mana ni en kar yango kenge mosego e kit dongruok mage.
We have executed the 10-point agenda and we have a report to the members of our political parties and to the people of Kenya.
Some people are saying that the 10-point agenda is coming to an end on the 7th. I want to tell you, my people, that 7th was chosen deliberately because it was the anniversary of the broad-based government.
Aput mar Agnes Zani oyudo sin ni gisegoyo kenge mongirore chopo kare lipodno mabiro bero dongruok kod chiwo ratiro ne oganda.
On the 7th, it was just to give an interim report of the 10-point agenda. And we have gone through that report with His Excellency the President. We have seen the progress. There's a lot of progress which has been made.
Going forward, these people have shown it without really prevarication that they intend to work with you all the way. Your Excellency, those who are currently lecturing us on the matter of NADCO were actually people who wanted to sabotage NADCO.
And many times when we have said strongly that we support the broad-based government, many people have told us that we are old men of the stomach, or jodong aich, in other words.
With judito medo nyonore mar chiwo sir margi ne jatend piny William Ruto ka gigeto chuogo sirikal manyien ka jodolo to kwayo kwe mar piny.
Many people, you must do something that you will be remembered by. I know you remember Honorable Raila Odinga with many other things, but he used to say, you don't live and die just like any mwanda. Huh? Like an antelope, you can be a beautiful antelope in the bush, and when you die, nobody remembers there was a beautiful antelope here in the bush.
But what I want to tell you is this. When we see you people tearing each other, it's not good. It's not good for this nation. It's not good for this community.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.